Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been struggling with stubborn belly fat, bloating, or feeling tired all the time, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing my honest 6-week experience with CardioSlim Tea, the fat-burning, heart-supporting tea that's been trending in 2025. Before we start, if you want to try CardioSlim Tea for yourself, check out the official website link in the description and the first pinned comment. There's a limited time 50% discount, so don't miss it. My story. I've always struggled with my weight. No matter what I tried, I couldn't shake off the fatigue and bloating. Then I found CardioSlim Tea, and honestly, I didn't expect much. But from the very first cup, I was surprised. It tasted smooth, not bitter, and I started to feel a gentle boost of energy throughout the day. My morning cup became a daily ritual, one small step that reminded me I was taking care of my body. Real results. During the first 2 weeks, I noticed less bloating and fewer cravings. By week 3, my jeans fit better, my stomach looked flatter, and I felt lighter. What really amazed me was my energy level. I wasn't relying on coffee as much, and my walks felt easier. By week 6, the results were clear. I'd lost noticeable fat around my waistline, my digestion improved, and I felt more confident than I had in years. Key ingredients and benefits. Each cup of CardioSlim Tea is packed with natural ingredients like green tea extract for metabolism support, Garcinia cambogia to reduce cravings, L-carnitine for fat metabolism, ginseng to boost focus and mood, and cinnamon to balance blood sugar. Together, they help burn fat, boost energy, and support heart health naturally and safely. Final thoughts. After 6 weeks, I can confidently say CardioSlim Tea works. Not as a magic fix, but as a natural boost that supports your healthy lifestyle. If you're serious about transforming your energy and body, grab your CardioSlim Tea today from the official website link in the description and the first pinned comment while